Hey guys, it's Joey. So today is Tuesday, so I just want to show you something that's very interests me. You got this bobbin. This is like a bobbin for a sewing machines, and I got tweezer. This tweezer is not just a normal tweezer. It's helped me a lot. I mean, this, if you want to unthread, I'm talking about unthread this bobbin. All you have to do, these edges here, I'm going to show you this tweezer. So you have to put inside the hole, and then you can remove the thread. You're just spinning like this. See that? It is super cool. That's it guys, super quick, awesome trick that I just found out. I don't have to do it manually, which is awesome. Thank you for watching. Now let's fill up this bobbin to the machine. I'm gonna show you and how to do that right now. Right now, just turn the camera. Sorry for the perfume here. So you got this bobbin here. This bobbin you just put inside of this tiny, hole here. Then press the machine, and then you pull the thread. You got thread over here, just pull it like this, and then swing it, and pull. That's how it's done. And we're going back to sew, so it will automatically fill up the thread, which is awesome. Right now I'm sewing this 90s design clothing. It's not an honesty, but it's normal cut design. So we already done the top here. I'm gonna show you after this.